Hey, Jam and Jamie here. Hello, YouTubers. Really quick, I am just updating my ridge vent, or looking over it, making sure everything is okay. It's been really good to me these last couple of years after I started doing stuff like this, and I'll show you what I do. I look at it once a year, usually in the summer or fall, right before winter, and you'll see here there's a small issue here with a screw that has popped up, and there's a little gap there, so water can get in that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take that out, and I got these roofing screws from Lowe's. You can get them at any box store or hardware store, and it actually has a rubber, what do you call it, a gasket or something here. And that helps secure the ridge vent to the roof, but also doesn't let water in. But another thing I'm going to do this time is I'm going to add this leak stopper rubber Flexx. I usually caulk it with roofing caulk, but this year I'm going to try and spray it with that. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to put this in. Screw that in tight, and then spray some on, and I'm going to allow that to dry, and hopefully that will keep a good seal. And I'm going to go down the row here, and if I see anything that looks kind of like it needs a little spray, I'm going to give it a little spray. These look pretty good. Here's one that can use a little spray. So you can see how that kind of seals that up. And I'll go down here and just continue to do that. Here's one I put in earlier. And that's about it. I'll add some here to the seam. Actually, this is where I had my issue. I had water get into the seam, so what I did is I put a ice water shield right in there underneath the seam. And after that I haven't had any problems. So let me just spray a little bit here. And that's the gist of it. So again, if you have a metal ridge vent like this, I know a lot of people don't like them. They're easy to install and they're cheap. If you do it this way, screw them in with these roofing screws, and either caulk them in afterwards or use that Flexx seal, and you shouldn't have any issues, I hope. Again, it's been good to me, so talk to you later.